What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing Beerus, the god of destruction from Dragonball Super. So I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use your pencil and eraser for these, and you can always put ink on top afterwards. And hit pause when I move my hand, or if I go too fast for you, and stuff like that. Just hit your pause button. So let's go, we'll start with his eyes, right? So he's got those big ears, so we're going to step down a little bit below halfway. Center point of my page is about here, so we just come down a little bit over to the right, and we'll just curve a line across for his eye, okay? And then we'll go diagonal for the bottom, and then we'll bring this one across. So Beerus's eyes on the bottom are kind of thicker. Like that, just kind of thicker on the bottom edge. And then his pupil, semicircle, colored in black. Like so. Now, jump over the other side, curve a line across. So we're not eye distance, the eyes are bigger. So what I mean is, this measurement for his eye, the width, won't fit in between, right? It will nearly fit in between, but it's just a little bit over, okay? It's just because his eyes are bigger than normal proportion. So then, back eyelid there, and then this comes across to here. And then you just thicken up this bottom eyelid line. Just make it thicker than the top one. And then pupil. Like so. Right, so Beerus has a nose very similar to a dog. Well, I guess he is a dog, isn't he? So it curves down like so first. And then we bring it down the center. And then around with two bumps up to the other side with a line sort of going up the middle. Like so. That's roughly his nose. And then we've got like some lines coming down for his sort of snout just there beside his eyes. He also has some frown lines on top of his eyes just there. So then his mouth, so it kind of curves around like a sort of a W sort of shape, like a letter W stretched out there. And then his chin or bottom lip curves around underneath. Now, so his jaw comes out the side and up there, just in line with the edge of his eye. See, that's where you change that direction. So I'll do that again on this side. So you go out there, and like just under the corner of his eye is where you want to turn up, like that. So then he has a large sort of side of his head, sort of this sort of curve line comes down into here. Same on this side, down like so. And then his ears are going to come out from here, right? So really big, crazy big ears. So sticks out there on that side, and then this one as well. Sticks out there, and then we'll go up. We're going to go right up now as far as we can. I'll go right up nearly to the top of my page, I'd say. There. Really big ears, right? And this one comes down like so. Okay. Same pretty much on this side. So we'll do a bump across for sort of folds for skin, top of his head. Folds for skin there. And then we'll go all the way top of the page. And then this will, in a similar fashion to the other side, come down. Like so. And then about halfway, we've got like a metal gold sort of earring or something. Just here. And then this will go out and into there. And then we have the inner ear shapes, right? So we got like sort of a line here, goes in there, up the other side. Similar on this side, up to there. So then he's got a collar and his neck, right? So we can only see a little bit of his neck, so well, the top of it anyway. We can mostly see this collar that lines up right with his chin here. So curves around from his chin down around to there, and then his sort of neck just here. Then the rest of his neck comes down, and his trapezius muscle will go out. So even though he's one of the most powerful characters in Dragon Ball Super, he's not muscly. So he's a skinny sort of, he's more like yoga body build, if that makes sense. So neck muscles here. And then we have this big circular shoulder pad or something that he wears, right? It's like Egyptian style. So it's gonna come down around the front to there, and then this comes across like that, and then we're going to bring it down underneath. It's kind of like this, a slice of orange or something. Like that, or a slice of watermelon. And then we trace that line again, give it an outer edge line. We trace this one, like so. Then there's a diamond right in the middle. And then here, radial sort of pattern lines. Like so. Okay, so shoulder just comes out from here, shoulder line there. And then side of his body sort of comes down that way, inner shoulder there. Bicep line sort of here. And then tricep comes down, meets like a golden sort of bandage or something there. And then this comes down, tricep, and then bicep on the inside. And then that golden band around his arm, on the edge of his tricep there. Might be some, you know, rib lines or and stuff sort of here. Maybe something down there. But in general, that's it. That is how to draw Beerus, God of Destruction, from Dragon Ball Super. I hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.